Have you ever wondered why some men never seem to chase anyone, yet people naturally gravitate toward them? It's not because they're the richest. It's not because they're the best looking. And it's definitely not because they know some secret dating trick. The truth is much simpler. People are naturally drawn to confidence, purpose, and emotional stability. When a man spends his life chasing validation, he often loses the very qualities that make him attractive. But when he builds himself first, his presence begins to speak louder than his words. Today, you'll discover 5 powerful qualities that naturally make women invest more in a relationship, not because they're manipulated, but because genuine confidence and self-respect are attractive.
Stay until the end.
Because the 5th quality quietly amplifies every other one. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Every week we share powerful videos on masculinity, psychology, confidence, self-improvement, communication, and healthy relationships to help you become the strongest version of yourself. If that's your mission, you're in the right place. Now, let's begin. Quality number 1. He has a purpose beyond dating. One of the most attractive qualities in any person is having a life that doesn't revolve around someone else's approval. Confident men don't make dating their identity. They have goals. They train their bodies. They build their careers. They develop new skills. They spend time with friends and family. They have hobbies that challenge them. This creates something powerful. Their confidence comes from progress, not from constant reassurance. When someone has purpose, they naturally become more interesting to be around. Conversations become richer, decisions become clearer, and they stop feeling the need to impress everyone they meet. Ironically, when you stop making one person the center of your world, you become more emotionally balanced. That balance often makes you more attractive. A healthy relationship should add to your life. It shouldn't become your entire life. Purpose gives a man direction, but the next quality gives him presence. And presence is something people notice long before you ever say a word. Quality number 2. He stays calm under pressure. Think about the people who naturally command respect. They rarely panic. They don't react to every inconvenience. They don't let every emotion control their decisions. Instead, they stay calm. That calmness creates presence. When a confident man faces uncertainty, he doesn't immediately assume the worst. If someone takes longer than usual to reply, he doesn't flood them with messages. If plans need to change, he communicates respectfully instead of reacting impulsively. Emotional stability doesn't mean ignoring your feelings. It means responding thoughtfully instead of reacting automatically. People generally feel more comfortable around someone who is emotionally steady. Calmness builds trust, and trust is one of the strongest foundations of any healthy relationship. Real confidence isn't loud. It's consistent. Quality number 3. He communicates with honesty and respect. Many people think confidence means always knowing the perfect thing to say.
In reality,
confident communication is usually much simpler. It's honest, clear, and respectful. A confident man expresses interest without pretending not to care. He listens as much as he speaks. He asks thoughtful questions. He respects boundaries, both his own and the other person's. If there's confusion, he communicates instead of playing games. If there's disagreement, he stays respectful instead of becoming defensive. This kind of communication stands out because it's increasingly rare. Healthy attraction grows when both people feel heard, respected, and free to be themselves. Strong communication doesn't guarantee every relationship will work, but it does create the conditions for trust and mutual respect to grow. Purpose creates direction. Calmness creates presence. Clear communication builds trust. But the next 2 qualities are what turn confidence into lasting character, and that's what people tend to remember long after the first impression. At quality number 4, he respects himself and others. One of the clearest signs of confidence is self-respect. A man who respects himself doesn't need to prove his worth through arrogance. He doesn't insult others to feel stronger. He doesn't beg for attention. And he doesn't stay in situations where respect is consistently missing. Instead, he lives by his values. He keeps his promises. He takes responsibility for his mistakes. And he treats people with dignity, even during disagreements. That kind of character is difficult to fake. Over time, people begin to trust him because his actions match his words. Healthy relationships grow where respect goes both ways. When mutual respect is present, attraction has a stronger foundation to grow. Quality number 5. He continues to grow. The most attractive quality isn't perfection, it's progress. The men who leave lasting impressions usually have one thing in common. They never stop improving. They read, they learn, they train, they develop new skills, they become better listeners. They strengthen their discipline. Every year they become a little wiser than the year before. That mindset changes everything. Instead of asking, "How do I get someone to like me?" they ask, "How do I become a better version of myself?" Ironically, that shift often makes them more confident, more grounded, and more enjoyable to be around. Growth creates purpose. Purpose builds confidence. Confidence strengthens relationships. Final message. Let's put everything together. The men who naturally attract healthy relationships usually aren't following secret tricks. They've built habits that shape who they are. They have purpose beyond dating. They stay calm under pressure. They communicate honestly. They respect themselves and others. And they never stop growing. Notice something important. None of these qualities require pretending to be someone you're not. They aren't about making someone chase you. They're about becoming someone who can build a relationship based on mutual respect, trust, and genuine connection. Not everyone you meet will be the right match, and that's okay. Confidence isn't measured by how many people choose you. It's measured by how consistently you live according to your values. When you focus on becoming a stronger, healthier, and more disciplined man, you naturally create more opportunities for meaningful relationships. Because the strongest attraction isn't built through games, it's built through character. If this video gave you a new perspective, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Every week we create videos on masculinity, psychology, confidence, self-improvement, communication, and personal growth to help you become the strongest version of yourself. If you made it this far, comment, "Character creates confidence." And tell us, which of these 5 qualities do you believe has had the biggest impact on your life? If this video added value, share it with someone who's committed to becoming a better man. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay confident, and remember, the strongest relationships aren't built by chasing. They're built by 2 people who freely choose to invest in each other.